In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Typeform with HubSpot. By the end, your Typeform responses will be able to flow directly into your HubSpot account so you can keep your contacts and form data organized in one place. First, make sure you're logged in to your HubSpot account with the right permissions. You'll need access to the HubSpot app marketplace and permission to install apps. If you're not sure whether you have that, check with whoever manages your HubSpot account before you get started. Once you're logged in, look for the HubSpot marketplace. You can usually find it in the main navigation at the top of your HubSpot dashboard under the section where apps and integrations live. Click into the marketplace to open it. Inside the marketplace, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar and type Typeform. As you type, you should see the Typeform integration appear in the list of results. Select the official Typeform app from the results to open its listing page. On the listing page, take a quick moment to review what this integration does. You'll usually see a short description, some screenshots, and details on what kind of data it can sync, like contacts and form responses. It's a good idea to scan this so you understand how the integration is going to behave in your HubSpot account. When you're ready, click the Install or Connect App button. HubSpot will then start the installation process for the Typeform integration. If you're not already logged into your Typeform account in your browser, you may be prompted to sign in. Enter your usual Typeform login details directly on the Typeform site. Never share those credentials anywhere else. After you log in, Typeform will ask you to authorize access for HubSpot. You'll see a permission screen that explains what HubSpot will be able to read or modify, such as your forms and responses. Take a moment to read through this carefully. If you're comfortable with the level of access, confirm and accept to continue. Once you've granted access, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. HubSpot will finalize the installation, which usually takes just a few moments. When it's finished, you should see confirmation that Typeform is now connected to your HubSpot account. From here, it's a good idea to check the integration settings. In HubSpot, navigate to your Connected Apps area, locate Typeform, and open its settings. This is where you'll typically be able to choose which forms to sync, how new contacts are created or updated, and what properties in HubSpot should receive data from each Typeform field. Even though the basic installation is now complete, spending a bit of time here helps make sure your data ends up exactly where you want it. Finally, test the integration. Go to one of your Typeform forms, submit a test response, and then check HubSpot to make sure the data appears as expected. Look for a new contact or a new form submission record that matches what you entered. If something doesn't look right, go back into the integration settings and adjust your mappings. And that's it. You've installed the Typeform integration from the HubSpot marketplace and connected the two platforms so they can share data automatically.